Okay, so in Hindi we have finished how many letters? Can anybody tell me? Can anyone? Any one of you? Okay, yes, Vedika, say it properly. But I was asking you starting from ka, say wherever we have finished. Say do the recap. Then near. Then yes, then ta and tha, right? We have finished tha. Yes. So we have finished till tha, right? So today we are going to learn two more vyanjan. Okay, so I will share you the screen. We have finished ka, kha, ga, gha, anga, cha, cha, ja, jha, nia. Then ta, tha. Okay. Now what will come after tha? We will learn two more vyanjan today. Okay. So I'm going to share you the screen. We can start with it. And yes, class, who has to join for reading class? That is Pakhi, Prayag and Shri. Okay, you three has to join for reading class. Pakhi, Prayag and Shri. Okay. Yes, I can see Prayag is showing me thumbs up. Okay.
Ma'am, Yanvi's reading class?
Yanvi's reading class is tomorrow, ma'am. On Friday.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. So we have completed ta se tomato and tha se thatera in the last class. And today we are going to learn about da se damru. Okay, we are going to learn da today. Just a minute, huh? Okay, ta, tha, da. What are the things starting from da? Da se danda. Have you ever seen this danda? The policeman or watchman, they all have this. Da se danda. Okay, a stick, a big stick. So da se danda. Then da se damru. Okay, da se damru. Okay, this is once again a musical instrument. Da se duffly. Okay, da se duffly. Duffly. Da se duffly. Da se damru. Da se duffly. Then da se dibba. Okay, we are saying many things to dibba. जैसे हमारे पास एक empty box हो, that is also called a dibba. This is the plastic your mama is using. This might be to keep some objects, okay, or to keep some grains or anything, vegetables or any cutout. So that is also called a dabba. Yes, Vedika is also showing me one. Yes, your Scrabble kit, that is also a dabba. And when you are going to in a train, traveling in a train, so the all full block, that is also called dabba in Hindi. Okay, that is also called a dabba. So there are three things we used to say dabba: a box, a plastic box, and a train where we are going traveling during a train. That is also called a dabba. So da se dabba. Okay. This is also very important. Da se dakia. Dakia means postman. Okay, who delivers the letter. Okay, so da se डाकिया, डाकिया क्या लाता है, ऐसे बोलते हैं ना, डाकिया डाक लाया, डाकिया डाक लाया. सो डाकिया, व्हाट ही ब्रिंग्स, लेटर. ओके, पोस्टमैन, डाकिया. एंड नेक्स्ट वी हैव ड से डाली, जो पतली पतली डालियां होती है ना, दैट इज कॉल्ड, दिस इज कॉल्ड योर डाली, दिस इज अ डाली. ड से डाली. Then ड से double roti, your bread. Bread is also called a double roti in Hindi. ड से double roti. Then yes, we are हमने क्या पढ़ा, ड से डाकिया पढ़ा, right? So डाकिया जो चिट्ठियां लेके आता है, जो letters where he bring, that office is called डाकघर. Okay, that is called post office. Okay, so that is called in Hindi डाकघर, डाकघर. Okay, post office. Then ड से डेढ़. Okay, what is the meaning of डेढ़? We have one roti. Okay, this is one, we have one. And if we have divided one more object into half, so हम उसको क्या बोलते हैं, डेढ़. एक और आधा. Okay, for example, I have this page, right? I have this one page. Okay, one page. और उसके बाद in the next page अगर मैं उसको हाफ लेती हूँ और हाफ नहीं लेती हूँ, तो उसको क्या बोला जाएगा, डेढ़. एक और आधा, that is called डेढ़. Okay, एक और आधा is called डेढ़, 1.5. In English we will say 1.5, and in Hindi we will say डेढ़. Sometimes when you get hungry, you are eating one roti, and from another roti you just eat half. That is called डेढ़. Then ड से डोरी. Okay, डोरी means your thread. You can see there are different types of डोरी. So ड से डोरी. So here we are done with ड. Okay, once again we will do a quick fast revision. ड से डंडा, ड से डमरू, ड से डफली, ड से डिब्बा, ड से डाकिया, ड से डाली, ड से डबल रोटी, ड से डाकघर, ड से डेढ़, ड से डोरी. ओके, सो आज हमने पढ़ा ड. अभी ड को लिखते कैसे हैं, हाउ वी विल राइट ड, यू विल पुट स्टैंडिंग लाइन, देन इन द एस शेप, और हम ई लिखते थे उस तरीके से, हाफ सर्कल एंड अपोजिट हाफ सर्कल. ओ अगेन स्टैंडिंग लाइन, half circle. Okay, like an S, and then slipping line. Okay, so this is called ड. बहुत easy है, standing line and a S and slipping line. Okay, now ड के बाद क्या आता है, ट ठ ड. इसके बाद क्या आता है, ढ. ओके, ढ से ढोल. we used to play ढोल, ढोल नगारा, that is called ढोल. सो हमने ये ट वर्ग पढ़ा, ट ठ ड, और अभी हम क्या पढ़ रहे हैं, ढ. अभी हम क्या रीड करेंगे, ढ. सो ढ. ढ से ढोलक या तो ढोल. यू कैन से दिस इज अ म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट दैट इज कॉल्ड ढोलक और ढोल. श्लोक आपको अटेंशन यहाँ पे देना है. ढ से ढोलक, ढ से ढोल. देन ढ से ढेर. ओके, जब हमारे पास बहुत सारी चीजें होती हैं एक ही चीज, तो उसको हम एक जगह जमा कर देते हैं, तो उसको क्या बोलते हैं, ढेर. वो एक के ऊपर आप रखते जाओगे तो ज्यादा बढ़ता जाएगा, दैट इज कॉल्ड ढेर. ओके, व्हेन यू आर कीपिंग ऑल द थिंग्स टुगेदर इन अ वन प्लेस, एंड दैट इज कॉल्ड ढेर. ढ से ढेर. ओके, ढ से ढूंढना. ढूंढना मीन्स यू मस्ट बी नोइंग. अगर आपकी कोई चीज गुम हो जाती है, आपको नहीं मिलती है, तो आप उसको फाइंड करते हो ना, कहाँ गई कहाँ गई कहाँ गई. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड ढूंढना मीन्स फाइंड. व्हेन वी आर फाइंडिंग समथिंग. सो ढ से ढूंढना. देन ढ से ढलना. ओके, दिस इज कॉल्ड ढलना. जो ऐसे अपर साइड पे जाती है या तो लोअर साइड पे जाती है, दैट इज कॉल्ड ढलना. ओके, ढ से ढलना. ओ, ढ से ढीला ढाला. ओके, when you are wearing a clothes, oversized clothes. okay, आपकी साइज से बड़ा क्लोथ आ जाता है. कई बार हम जाते हैं शॉपिंग के लिए, sometimes in that sometimes we used to buy a bigger cloth. okay, हम बड़ी साइज का ले लेते हैं by the mistake. so हम जब when we are wearing it, it is not perfect of your size. okay, so that is called, वो जो perfect size का नहीं होता वो ढीला हो जाता है, it's loose. तो हम उसको क्या बोलते हैं? ढीला ढाला. ओके, ढीला ढाला. ओके, देन ढ से ढक्कन. ओके, द कैप. ओके, कोई भी बॉटल हो, कोई, यस यस वेदिका, कोई भी बॉटल हो या कोई भी चीज हो जिसका ऊपर से हम क्लोज करते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड, द पार्ट इज कॉल्ड ढक्कन. ओके, अच्छा, अभी हमने ड से हमने पढ़ा डेढ़, राइट. ड से हमने पढ़ा डेढ़. 1.5 इज कॉल्ड डेढ़. ओके, उसको हमने पढ़ा डेढ़. अभी ढ से ढाई होता है. ढाई मीन्स 2.5. ओके, ढाई मीन्स 2.5. ओके, डेढ़ का मतलब हमने 1.5 पढ़ा और ढाई का मतलब क्या होता है? 1.5. We have two things and the third one, the तीसरे में से हम जब आधा लेते हैं, that is called ढाई. Okay? Yes, Khanaf. Yes, Khanaf.
My pencil is just a can.
Yes, that is a cap. So that is called ढक्कन.
of the lid. Does the ढक्कन.
Yes, ढ से ढक्कन. Yes, yes, correct. So ढ से ढाई समझ में आया? 2.5 को ढाई बोलते हैं and 1.5 को डेढ़ बोलते हैं. Okay, this is 2.5. You can see there is ढाई बजा. Okay, when we are watching in a clock, so whenever there is 2.5, तो then we will say ढाई. और अगर 1.5 होता तो हम बोलते डेढ़. Okay, never get confused between this. Then we have ढ से ढाल. आप you must have been watching TVs and serials. During a fight, the soldiers are using this. Okay, जब वो तलवार लगती है या तीर लगता है तो they used to wear this. उससे क्या होता है? वो बच जाते हैं, उनको चोट नहीं लगती है. तो उसको क्या बोलते हैं? ढाल. क्या बोलते हैं? ढाल. और इवन, हाँ, और
ढाल.
यस, ढाल.
बाहुबली में देखी है.
यस यस, बाहुबली में देखी है आपने. ओके, अभी ये आया ढ से ढांचा. ढांचा मीन्स जब हम कोई भी चीज कोई बनाते हैं, उसका एक बाहर से रफ आइडिया प्रिपेयर करते हैं, तो डेट इज कॉल्ड ढांचा. ओके, अ स्केच हम प्रिपेयर करते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, आई वांट टू बिल्ड अ हाउस, सो आई विल प्रिपेयर अ ढांचा. ढांचा मीन्स अ प्लान. ओके, अ मैप, कि आई विल बी हैविंग दिस काइंड ऑफ हाउस. ओके, अंदर क्या चीज होगी, दैट इज नॉट डिसाइडेड प्रॉपर्ली, बट बाहर से कैसा होगा, दैट वी विल डिसाइड. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड ढांचा. ओके, दैट इज कॉल्ड ढांचा. डिसाइडिंग द आउटर साइड, डिसाइड करते हैं, उसको बोलते हैं ढांचा. प्रिपेयर करना, एक मैप जैसा, एक स्केच जैसा. सो हियर वी आर डन विथ ढ. ओके, now you will take your Hindi notebook, open a new page and we are going to write. Okay, ड से डमरू और ढ से ढोलक और ढक्कन. ओके, you will write today's date here, 17th July 2021. Then you will write 2 lines of d and 2 lines of dh, and you will finish it this page. Take your notebook and write it. You know now how to write dh, or should I tell you? Wait, I'll tell you also how to write dha. Just give me a minute. Standing line, put like a C, half circle, and अंदर से आपको circle बना देना है. Okay? Then slipping line, dha. Standing line, half circle, and a circle, and slipping line, dha. Okay? Now write it down. Da and dha. If you don't know, then let me know how to. If you face, any problem, then let me know. You have to complete the full page. Yes, Kia, you are done? Okay. Good, Kia.
Can I leave?
No.
Bye.
Yes, that is why you are finishing very fast, na? You want to finish it very fast and you want to leave
And
early.
I want to play and I see a ray.
You want to play what?
Babies. To play.
Or toy.
Acha, you want to play with toy. You can play after 5 minutes. Okay, you can stay here and then you can leave. Yes, okay. You don't have any option. You can see the words, you can remember it, the what is other things starting from the से और क्या क्या start हो सकता है. Yes, Hate, I can see your page, बच्चा, you are done. Good. But you have to wait. Okay, let's everyone finish. Then you can go. Kia, which subject you like the most?
Rain and
Rain learn करवाने का subject गमे English, Hindi के maths.
English.
English. Not liking maths or Hindi?
Hindi is important. No.
No, but maths is so
Hindi
very
is
nice.
boring, ma'am.
Hindi is boring.
Important, Mama.
What important?
Important.
Important.
What is important?
Hindi is important, ma'am.
But Hindi is important, you know this much. Then also you
I
don't
like
like
English.
You like English, but Hindi is very more important. Wow, wow.
And Gujarati important too.
So Gujarati, you can learn at your home, with mama, with dada, with dada.
घर में गुजराती नहीं करती.
I
Hindi एक number.
can play against English. Play than English, I say.
You always play in English. You want to
You play in English.
what you play in English, huh? Okay, Ridya, I can see your page, bacha. You are
I
done.
like that today.
Huh?
Then
तू
today
अच्छू हमारा करे.
today's raining, but I like rain.
Yes, Ridya, very good.
Winter season. I like not summer season.
I don't like summers.
I don't like summer season. I like rain, summer,
चला विचारी ले.
rain season and winter season.
But why not summer season. What is bad in summer season? You can eat so many mangoes. It's okay. You are living at your home.
I
Now.
like AC.
I like AC, ma'am.
And Daddy like too. My Daddy like too AC too.
मैम अगर एक बार बुलाया तो वो बंद ही नहीं होगी.
Mom, I can understand. She can tell each and everything. Whatever she remember.
AC too like it.
असू बोले तू.
Daddy like AC too and me too.
Okay, your dad is like AC, you like AC, and that is why you don't like summer,
And
right?
chocolates and
You like-
stickers.
Tiger.
Understand what things you like.
I can leave now.
Just a minute, yeah. Yes, Shiven and Shri. What happened? Shiven, you are done, right, bacha? Yes, I can see you are done. And yes, Shri, what about you? Are you done writing, finishing the and the? Shri? I'm cancelling this page now so I can see you all very properly. Okay, yes. Now the one who has done, who has completed writing, they can leave the class. Okay?
Thank you.
Yes, I can see Vedika. Bye-bye. No, Kia. Yes, Vedika, you are done. Good job, Vedika.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye. Bye, Kia. Yes. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am. Go. Bye, ma'am.
Yanvi, who's saying bye? Who's saying bye? Hriday? Okay, yes, Hriday, you are done. Okay, bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Yanvi, you are not writing. You are somewhere. I think so. You are going somewhere. Treya, what are you doing?
Ma'am, my work
Writing.
is
Okay, now I can see. Who is done? Arav, you are done? Wait a minute, Arav. I'll see. Okay, Arav, I can see you are done. Good. Good job. Okay, bye-bye.
मैम कुछ कह रहे थे आप?
नहीं, ma'am. That's it.
Ma'am, आप क्या कह
अच्छा, Yanvi, yeah. Bacha, you have not written, you have not completed writing. You are going somewhere.
Yes.
So when you will show, you can show me your pictures, okay? Afterwards, after completing writing Hindi, okay?
See, ma'am.
मैम
Oh,
जैसे जैसे कंप्लीट हो रहा है ना वैसे इमेजेस ना टर्न इन कर देंगे.
नहीं, like अभी जैसे क्लास में she was attending the class ना, तो अभी ड और ढ लिखवा रहे थे ना, तो that is why I was asking कि you are she was so that's why.
Yeah.
Okay.
See, ma'am.
She can complete and she can show me afterwards. No issue.
Okay.
See, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Who is this? Okay, Shlok.
Bye, ma'am.
Okay, Shlok. Bye-bye. Nivan, what is this? Writing one later and doing masti.
Done.
I'm watching you. Okay. Yes. Nivan, you are writing good, but sometimes some letters are big, some letters are small. Huh? What about the handwriting? बस जल्दी जल्दी फिनिश कर देना है ना? I know it everything. Next time you will write in a good handwriting, okay, Nivan?
Yes.
Yes, Paki, I can see, bacha, you are done. Good job, Paki. Even Himay is done, right, Himay? Himay and Paki? Good. Bye. Prayag is also done. Very good, Prayag. Very well done. Very nice. Now Prayag is very good boy. He is completing each and everything. Very nice. Bye-bye. Okay, bye-bye. You are completing each and everything nowadays. That is very nice, है ना? Good job.
भूल से कर देता है.
नहीं मैम, nowadays I can see after vacation he is writing each and everything, doing everything.
उसको
Very
बोलो
good.
कि रीडिंग क्लास है, अभी गेम नहीं खेलना है, बोल दो.
Yes, Prayag, we have a reading class. Okay, you have to join the reading class. That is for just for some time. Okay?
પછી રમજો.
Okay. Chalo. Bye bye. See you after 5 minutes.
Bye.
Bye. Shri, how much is left? Shri, Danish, and my little one, Khanak. Laksh. Khanak is done. Yes, Khanak, I can see you are done. Yes, you are done. Good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.